Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all know that we have finished the revision test, all the revision tests. Now you are preparing for your pre-board 3, which will be conducted in your, which will be conducted in the month of March, at the end of March. Today, once again, we have decided to discuss sample paper, to practice sample paper. So from now, I will discuss sample papers. In between, we will also keep discussing the uh, lessons. I will once again revise all the lessons with the sample paper. So let's begin. Part B, the writing part we are going to discuss. Part B of sample paper. Writing part. Part B of the sample paper, which is writing part. Question number 1. Here I am going to write. It starts with question number 6. We are going to write question number 6. Attempt any one of the following. Attempt any one of the following. A. You are Samira Samar. You are Samira Samar, the owner of Pink Power, the owner of Pink Power, a cafe run only by women. Pink Power, a cafe run only by women. You are looking for an interior designer. You are looking for an interior designer. You are looking for an interior designer to design the interiors of the cafe. To design the interiors of the cafe. To design the interiors of the cafe. Let me read out the remaining part of the question, as there is no space on the board, so I'm not going to write it down. So you can listen to me and write down. You are Samir, the owner of Pink Power, a cafe run only by women. You are looking for an interior designer to design the interiors of the cafe. Draft a suitable advertisement for the same in about 50 words. Draft a suitable advertisement for the same in about 50 words to be published in the classified columns of the National Daily. To be published in the classified columns of the National Daily, the local newspaper. Okay, so let's begin. Let me write answer to this question, then we will be discussing the next part B of this question. Sorry, let me rub it. As already we have discussed the format of advertisement writing. So first of all, we should draw the box, but don't close the box. Draw three-sided lines first. Three-sided lines. And as everything in short writing skills is written in the box, whether it is notice, advertisement writing, invitation writing, they should be written in a box. So don't close the box. If you will close the box, your words can go beyond the box. So that is why we are not supposed to close the box. Draw three-sided lines first. Okay. So you all know it will be written in under the heading situation vacant. It should be in center. Let me write it in center. It should be in capital letter. Okay. Situation vacant. So you have to start it whether required or wanted. Okay. So according to question, required an interior designer. We should write required and interior designer. Required an interior designer to design the interiors, to design the interiors, to design the interiors of the cafe run and managed, to design the interiors of the cafe run and managed by only women, run and managed only by women should be more suitable here. Only by women. The candidate must have adequate experience. The candidate must have adequate experience. The candidate must have adequate experience in designing of cafes and restaurants. Designing experience of or experience in designing of restaurants. Compensation, further you can write compensation, no bar, compensation no bar for deserving candidate, no bar for deserving candidate. Okay, then contact detail, then you have to give contact detail here, write apply, name, contact detail, name, address, contact detail, here you supposed to give. Okay, let me show it. Yes, let me show you it properly. Yes, okay, now it's okay, I think. Okay, then you will have to give the contact detail and close the box. So such advertisements in which vacancies there are written under the heading situation vacant, required an interior designer to design the interiors of the cafe, and run and managed by only women. The candidate must have adequate experience in designing of restaurant. Compensation no bar for deserving candidate. Apply whatever the name of the cafe you can give. Samira, apply Samira, owner Pink Cafe, Agra. Then you will have to give the contact details. Okay, so this way it is written. Let me rub it and write down the next question for you. Let me write down the next question. Part B of sixth one. You are Rachel, Ruben. You are Rachel, Rachel, Ruben, President of Wellness Cell, President of Wellness Cell, President of Wellness Cell of your school, You decide to organize, you decide to organize a workshop to raise awareness of importance of the importance of mental health, importance of mental health. This workshop would be conducted by the school counselor. This workshop would be conducted by the school counselor. Write a notice in about 50 words. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students of class 11th, 12th. Informing the students of class 11th and 12th. Okay. So, you are Rachel Rubin, President of Wellness Cell of your school. You decide to organize a workshop to raise awareness of the importance of mental health. This workshop would be conducted by the school counselor. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students of class 11 12th about the workshop. Okay, so let us write the answer now. Let me rub it. You can take the screenshot. Or once again you can hear the audio. I have just read out the question too, so audio can also be heard. So the name of the school is not given. Let us write down the name of any school. is writing to? You all know box is mandatory. So first we draw the box. In the same way, first three sided lines will be drawn. Don't close the box because your words may go beyond the box. It will look ugly. That is why you should draw three sided lines only. Okay. First of all, you should write the name of institution in capital letter. Name of school is not given, so let us write the name of any school. ABC Public School. It should be in capital. ABC Public School. Place Varanasi. ABC Public School, Varanasi. Then you should write date as it is 23rd February 23 February 2021. After that, the word notice in capital. The word notice will be written in capital. Okay. Or you can also this word notice you can also write before the date. It's your choice. Okay. First you can write the word notice in capital, then date. Both are correct. Okay. You can write the word notice in capital first, then date 23 February 2021. Okay, this way also you can write. After that, subject. So what is the subject? Mental health workshop. Mental, you can whether the first word the first letter of each word you can capitalize, or the whole subject you can write in capital letter. Okay. So it is about mental health. Mental health workshop. Okay. First, the name of the institution should be in capital letter. Then word notice should be in capital letter. Then date. After date, after you have written the date, you should write the subject, that is mental health workshop here. Okay. Then content, what is going to be organized, when is it going to be organized, where is it going to be organized. Each and everything answer to these questions which we have discussed is given in a notice. This is to inform. This is to inform. This is to inform all the students that this is to inform to all the students, as it has been mentioned that it is for 11th and 12th, so you should write this is to inform all the students of 11th and 12th, all the students of 11th and 12th, all the students of 11th and 12th, that a workshop is being conducted, that a workshop is being conducted by school counselor. Workshop is being conducted by school counselor. Let me rub it and finish this notice. So first you will have to write the name of institution in capital letter. Then the word notice should also be in capital letter. Then date. After date you have to write the subject, mental health workshop. This is to inform to all the students of 11th and 12th that a workshop is being conducted by school counselor. So when it will be conducted, where it will be conducted, let me rub it and include all the details. On, now you have to write the date on 26th, okay, February 2021. It is going to be organized on this date. Where it will be organized? So simply in you can write counselor room or assembly hall. Okay, in assembly hall. In assembly hall. Okay, so you have given all the information, what is going to be organized, when it is going to be organized, and where it will be organized. Okay, now the workshop will you can also here give one thing, at time first give the timing na between between 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, in assembly hall. In assembly hall. Okay, on 26 January between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. in assembly hall. So the workshop will emphasize on importance of taking care of mental health, as it is on mental health. So you can mention it here. Okay. So registration of workshop is free. Further you can mention registration for workshop is free. Registration for workshop is free and is on first come first serve basis, that is पहले आओ पहले पाओ, and is on first come and first serve basis. So the interested students can register their names with the undersigned. Okay, the interested students can register their name with undersigns. Then your name here, it is after writing this line, the interested students can register their name with undersigned. So then you have to give the name as given in the question and your designation. You are president of which club? It is given in the question, wellness club. President wellness club. Okay, then you can close the box. This is the way of writing a notice. Already we have discussed and many videos regarding notice writing. So thank you students for watching this video. In my coming video I will keep discussing the rest question of this sample paper.